Good afternoon. Today we're here at Extreme Metal Products in Cleveland, Ohio. Today we're going to be installing a quick release belt shroud kit. This allows you to take your belt shroud off on the trail in seconds to remove your to change your belt. Anyway, today we're working on an XDS. It's a skinnier version. It's a 64-inch model. Makes it a little bit harder to get this on and off because of the shock, but it has to be on the ground. You can't jack it up to do it. Well, what I want to show you here is in the kit, you're going to get 11 of these little pins. See, they got a hole in the side there. You're going to get rivets, you're going to get lanyards, and you're going to get cotter pins. And what we have to do here is we take an 1/8-inch drill, we drill out these little holes, we rivet these to our shroud. That way they're attached. We can't lose them. Then what you do is a little tricky here, but first time anyway. Oh, I'll show you how you put them in. We've already got them in here except for the last one. Now you can either do it by hand or you can do it with a drill. If you have a right angle drill, it makes it real easy. You might have to remove the shock, but all you do is take this and screw it in like that there. That's it. Just like that. And then you can take another screwdriver and just kind of tighten it up to make it the right angle you want. We're going to go another turn here on this one just to make sure it's tight in there. We want to make it loose. Okay. And you can do those by hand, like I said. It's just take you a second longer. And we've also got, just so you know, our belt guard in here. If you can see this, it's a guard on the inside, aluminum guard. What that does, if you shatter a belt, if you shred a belt, it won't shatter your housing. That's another product that we make. It's also on our website. Anyway, all this goes in here. It's a little tricky, but I'm going to get it here in one sec. As always, whether it's on here or not, it's a little tricky. But anyway, you put it on there like that. I'll line it up in a second, but you know, I do is take these little pins, flip them in there like that. Then you go around and do them all. You know, in other words, well, you know why it's going on? Because I got one stuck in there. That's why. Anyway, this one will go up top here. You just go like that. And they just go in here like this. So, in other words, you don't need tools in the trail. Second time you do it, it'll be a lot quicker. But anyway, when you blow out a belt on the trail, it allows you to change it real quick, get back on the trail. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching our video. And check out our website, extrememetalproducts.com. Thank you.